What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock. And guys, most importantly, as you saw on the thumbnail, is there a possibility of for Tesla going into this week to go up by 15.55%? See, I'm being so precise for you. Well, so where is this 15.55% from the current closing price? So guys, that would be all the way almost up to 195. So $195 almost, give or take few percent, is that the possibility for Tesla stock to do going into this Friday? Or, well, this whole week, but by Friday, I mean. So let's take a look at all of that with the data. That puts us at the top range of this channel. Tesla had its earning last week. We all know that. I have been covering about it. The technicals, well, Tesla stock went up even after bad earnings numbers on the forward-looking guidance. And Tesla is still going to do their cheaper model car, and then they are gonna have robotaxis. August 8th is when Elon is going to announce more on that. So all in all, things are looking great. But most importantly, the technicals and the structure. Has it changed? How it has changed? What are the levels to watch going in this week? As for if these levels continue to hold, how we are going and continue to go higher. But if these levels break, then is there another downside coming? Is Tesla gonna become bearish? So we'll talk about all of that, and I'll share my opinion as well, which I'll do right off the bat just when we start this video. But before that, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. Okay. So guys, yes, Tesla, to be honest, in my opinion, if you ask me, probability, the direction I'm looking for is 80% bullish. Tesla is bullish. If you have seen my video I did on Friday, I said this red candle doesn't worry me, guys. So in this video, let's take a look at why does this red candle doesn't worry junior trader, right? So what are we seeing on the daily interval? Let's talk about that first. We are seeing Tesla is above 20 days moving average, okay? Remember this red box I was talking about, $160 to $164 is a massive structure change if Tesla can get above this, because this is where prior strong resistances were followed by a flush. Well, these were supports back then, but they turned resistance. So strong support turns strong resistance when the price breaks with a flush, right? So we have gotten out of this $160 and $164 on a strong candle on a strong volume here. That is awesome. That is the strength that bulls have. This one red candle doesn't worry me. All right. So I'll talk even about the pullbacks, potential of pullbacks. So 2 days ago, or when I said 2 days ago, like during this time, when we had this candle, I said that, guys, even if Tesla does a pullback to 152, the structure has already changed. Structure is already bullish. That would be just a pullback right now, and we may go up, continue to go up. And most importantly, I said, if we can just close above and stay above 160 and 164, that's a confirmed structural change to the upside, and Tesla is still holding that structure. Again, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. This bullish structure will start to lose its momentum if we lose $160, and if we lose $150, the structure is again to the downside. But right now, I'm not seeing any of that. Structure is to the upside. So accordingly, a position, if it has to be taken, it can be taken with the stop loss on the other side of the structural change, right? So, but the structure is to the upside. So this has also potential to form inverted head and shoulder here. If Tesla comes back, crawls down here, but stays above this, red box, this is just an inverted head and shoulder, and kaboom. Well, kaboom to the upside, okay? So yes, and Tesla is looking great to me for the upside. Now, there are a couple of things. I will take you to the lower time frames in just a second. I want to show you my swing bot as well on Tesla. And it's profitable right now. Tesla swing bot has been giving me, even my day trading bot on Tesla, you have been seeing my videos on it, has been giving me profitable trades even when Tesla is downtrending. But the bot is still making money on the upside. So I'm just waiting for the structure to fully become bullish, which is becoming now, and I just can't wait to now hold on to these long position, because if my long-term long position bot can make money even when Tesla is downtrending, well, I'm just waiting now for the Tesla to become uptrend and just gonna print money. But anyways, this is just an educational tool. Nothing is guaranteed. You can see there are red days as well. It's all just about, coming out net profitable and using this as a reference, which I do for myself. If you need access to these tools, links are in the description below of this video, but just take them only as educational tools, okay? Risk and responsibility is on to you, how you want to use it. It's completely up to you. I play no role and no part in that. All right. Now, coming back to the daily interval, what I want to talk about or show you is this channel. There's this mini channel parallel to the bigger channel that you have seen from one time before as well. I drew this, and there is this channel sorta parallel to the other ongoing channels, and yeah, so there is this channel that Tesla is back out and above off, okay? And so you can see a little bit it's resisting over here as well on this trend line, right? Which is fine. It's again like what I expect Tesla to do. If any pullback comes, 164 is still a good support, at least for now, and this has a potential to continue higher. Now let's go to the lower time frames, and I'm going to get rid of these because I don't need them. Now wait, one more thing I want to do is I want to change the colors of these to green now, because they are the support, and we don't need that. This structure is already out and above, so we don't need that box anymore. And okay, let's go to the hourly interval, and let's talk about a couple of things over there. So, oh, well, yeah, I have this same trend line drawn on the hourly interval as well. So you can see, right? This is where this is a little bit rejecting, but we are still bullish. There's still this higher pivot, higher highs, higher lows, and this is a good support, 164. And why so, right? As I said earlier, that this is where the previous strong supports were, which turned into resistance. So getting out of this consolidations was very important. Look at it, how much Tesla, there was a fight between bulls and the bears, because this was a pivot structural change, right? Bears were trying to push it lower here because this is where the strong resistance, acting resistance is, and they were trying to push it lower, but they failed. So bulls have won, and structure is fully onto the upside. Structure was fully onto the upside, even above 152. My swing bot gave the position in this range. Let me show you that again. If yeah, look at it. This is where the buy position came just before the structure is changing to the bullish sign. Even after, I mean, I'm not going to explain the details. It is it is the signal, right? And so yeah, I'm loving this move. Now, yes, we have much more room to continue to the upside. I have intraday levels turned off right now. I can turn them on as well, just so that we have some partial areas also to watch. Okay, so yes, guys, still Tesla, as I said, has a good support at 164. If the support breaks, you can expect some cool off to come. Until 152 though, that will be just a cool off. But yeah, that could be then intraday, at least to the downside, could be played. But if we can hold up a 164, that's already a confirmed structure. So this current pullback is current downtrend or little bit of downside on Tesla doesn't bother me. For me, this is just a pullback right now. And what I want to see is by Monday, well, Monday we should get above 175. If we can do that, that's awesome, because that's just continues Tesla to the upside. And 187 after that is the next level to watch. 175 after that is 187. Again, there are more levels as well, like there's another significant level at 184. But yes, Tesla is in an uptrend, and Tesla's average range is $8 almost, $9 almost, just shy of $9. So times it by 5, right? 5 days, $45, and Tesla has a room to 168 plus 45 is almost plus $200, but give or take few pullbacks, and if Tesla's some sell-off happens with the market, but all in all, aggregate, yeah, $195, that is 15.55% upside is possible, guys, in my opinion, for this coming week, as long as We keep this bullish trend though, okay? We don't want to lose 164. And if we can get above $175, then this becomes our next level to watch as a good support. And 184, if after that pullbacks come to 175, that will still keep Tesla in the bullish structure. So that's what we want to continue to see. All in all, guys, I'm bullish on Tesla. Structure, in my opinion, has been looking to the upside. $164 level is the level to watch to keep the structure to the upside on Monday, and then going forward as well. And going forward, I'll keep updating you daily, right? Now, let's go to the weekly interval as well. And this is where I just want to show you something. And I talked about to you guys that I will talk about more on this video that I'll do on this weekend. So we have been on the weekly is like downtrending, right? This is a green strong candle coming after a strong red candle. So once, and we have already gotten out of this pivot of resistance, right? This is a positive bullish sign on Tesla. This allows it to push up to this upper side of the channel. And guys, there's a huge potential that, let's say we test 195, and if we come lower, there's a huge potential that we form inverted head and shoulder here. And once we confirm and do that, Tesla has a room to go again back into the $200 range. Here's my point. If you were buying Tesla at $300 and $400, you may have bought it with some belief, right? Like you think, oh yes, Tesla is long-term a good investment. Then why is someone scared to buy Tesla when it's at a cheaper price? Just for the reasons, is media just showing you all the negativity? Now look, media will show you all the positivity when stocks are at highs, and media will show you all the negativity when the stocks are at the bottom. So you have to do your own due diligence. Do you take your own risks? Okay, it's on to you. You know, no one will make you money in market. Only you have to. You can learn and you can make money. My intentions out of this video is to teach you how to trade. You know, at the end of the day, I'm not going to take trades for you, and I take guarantee of nothing. I'm just trying to teach you how to do the technical so that you can do your own decision-making process. So stop losses are very important regardless of whatever position is taken. But anyways, so yeah, I do expect Tesla to, in coming months, you know, I think this is the bottom on Tesla. This is the bottom on Tesla in my opinion. And let's take a look at monthly chart as well. So here we go, guys. Look at this beautiful wick on the monthly chart looking up down here. That shows a really good support, right? The monthly wick at the bottom. So this could be argued that at least it's forming a higher low here. But anyways, it could be also argued, junior trader, this is a monthly head and shoulder, right? Guys, yes, it could be argued, but this is the head and shoulder actually, not really this one, but here we go. Right? But we don't have to see this way. Why do I say that? The more backward we go, if we don't have a recent price action around here, then all these things, if there would have been no price action left to this area, like over here, there was no other price action left to this area, then just head and shoulder, then these structures hold validity when the price is in this area, okay? Once a new structure is building, which is this new structure here, what holds in relevance is the near-term price action, which is the demand zone I'm seeing here. This doesn't hold that much validity of head and shoulder as what this price action is showing me here, a good demand zone and a wick over here, okay? And when the wick comes at the bottom side, that is important than the wick coming when the price is already high up. So you can see Tesla was in an uptrend here, and you can see there is a wick coming over here as well, but we continue to sell off just because the strength of this wick, because it was already at the higher range, is less compared to the wick that will come at the bottom prices in the change of the structure direction. So for example, the head and shoulder, it has more strength on the top of the chart rather than at the bottom of the chart. You get my point, right? So anyways, I'm bullish on Tesla on the technicals, and I think that there's possibility going into this week we can go to $195. That is 15.55%. And yeah, so regardless, stop losses needs to be there if you are trading on the swing or intraday. All right. Cool. All right, guys. Well, this is it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.